Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what happens when you reset your iPhone. Resetting your device can be a powerful tool for troubleshooting, but it's crucial to understand the different types available. We'll cover everything from a simple restart to a complete data wipe, ensuring you know exactly what to expect with each option. This knowledge helps you make informed decisions and protect your valuable information. A soft reset is the least invasive option, essentially just turning your iPhone off and then back on again. This process clears your device's temporary memory and closes all running applications, often resolving minor glitches like unresponsive apps or slow performance. Importantly, a soft reset will not delete any of your personal data, photos, or settings, making it a safe first step for troubleshooting. Choosing Reset All settings will revert all your iPhone's customized configurations back to their original state. This includes network settings, keyboard dictionary, home screen layout, and privacy settings. However, your personal data, such as photos, videos, messages, and installed applications, will remain completely untouched. This is a good option for resolving persistent software issues without losing your files. The Erase All Content and Settings option, also known as a factory reset, is the most comprehensive reset. It completely wipes all data, settings, and personal information from your iPhone, returning it to the state it was in when you first purchased it. This action is irreversible without a backup, making it ideal for preparing your device for a new owner or resolving severe, unfixable software problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.